The drought in Lake Cachuma by Silvina Tenorian to Santamaria. A drought is caused by the activities of humans and when there is a long period of abnormal dry weather. The drought here in California is getting horrible really fast and may impact our environment soon. Droughts that occur in the world are a danger to nature, humans, and animals if they cannot adapt to the new environmental conditions. It affects plants because receiving too much sunlight and not enough water can cause them to dry up. Some species, like fish, can die out if all the water in a body of water dries up, and this directly affects humans and other species that rely on fish as a source of food. Also in Santa Barbara, we rely on seafood for tourist attraction. A drought also affects humans because it could possibly mean having normal clean showers, not being able to grow crops on farms, or having a limited source of drinking water. Positive side to the drought is that it is bringing new species to Lake Cachuma. For example, a group of 5 mule deer varying antler sizes, a bald eagle from Santa Cruz Island, and a couple of Canadian geese were spotted in 2014. More currently, naturalist at Lake Cachuma, Rosie Bishop, assures that the number of migratory birds has increased due to the drought, and there are 2 adult bald eagles that live near Lake Cachuma year-round. Lake Cachuma provides Santa Barbara with a considerable amount of water and is in fact a primary source of water here. As of April 26, 2016, Lake Cachuma is down to only 14.7% of its capacity compared to July 31st, 2015, when it was at 24.6% of its capacity. According to the data collected by the country's Public Works Department, Santa Barbara has only received 67% of its total amount of rainfall average it should have received at this point in time. Since Lake Cachuma is a primary source of water in Santa Barbara, there are currently efforts being taken to try to conserve water. Santa Barbara might reactivate a plant that converts seawater to drinking water. This is known as the City of Santa Barbara Desalination Plant Project. The city is spending $50 million to reactivate it, although there are some concerns. In 1992, there was a drought in Santa Barbara, and therefore the plant was underway for construction. Then suddenly in March, it began to rain a lot, so the project was shut down. This was known as Miracle March, and so they are worried that this will happen once again. Also, Lake Cachuma Operation and Maintenance Board has issued an emergency pumping facility in order to keep water flowing even after Lake Cachuma water level drops too low. A possible solution to mitigate the problem is to keep conserving water here in Santa Barbara. Actually, here in Santa Barbara, we have saved 30% more than what was expected of us. Although Santa Barbara City Council is raising the goal to try to conserve water to 35%. Some people can put in fake grass to substitute real lawn grass in order to try to save water by not having to water their grass. Although, of course, not everyone wants to be told how to spend their money, so this could pose as a problem. In conclusion, the drought affects us all, not just one certain group. Therefore, it is indeed up to all of us as a community to do anything we can in order to help conserve water. For if this drought gets more severe, who knows what kind of wildlife will perish, as well as what kind of beautiful plant life will cease to exist and what kinds of bodies of water, such as Lake Cachuma, we will no longer be able to see or use. Even something so minimal such as taking less longer showers can help to conserve a great deal of water here.